Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing a new style. We're doing vlog style, and I'm also going to try a new series I want to start. I think I'm going to call it Recipe Trials, where I try new recipes that I've been wanting to try, and then at the end I tell you guys if it's worth you guys trying out. And so today we're going to start with focaccia bread. I love focaccia bread. I love any type of carb, really, any type of bread. So we're going to try to make this today. I think it's a perfect day. It's like a fall rainy day, and so we're going to make this and see how it turns out. Yeah, and so stay to the end to see if you should try and make it. ready. I have it here below me. Let's see how it tastes. Try to get the green onion piece. So I have a piece of green onion. Really good. I love it. It's soft, chewy, has a little crunch. I can see they did also say you could put like crushed tomatoes on top of the focaccia, kind of make like a pizza focaccia, and that would have been great as well. But it is good with just the green onion and the salt. So yeah, definitely worth a recipe you should try. Let me know if you plan to try it in the comments below. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.